If you don't know, there is a massive opportunity for businesses to make money using Pinterest. And since 78% of the worldwide audience uses Pinterest, you wouldn't want to miss out on this amazing chance. What's going on? Garrett here. And if you're here to discover how to make money on Pinterest, you have come to the right place. I'm about to share some straightforward, step-by-step methods to make money on Pinterest with minimal effort. Now, before I dive in though, if you want to discover my #1 way to really make money online, be sure to click the first link directly below this video. So now, if you've stumbled on this video, you might be thinking, can I actually make money with Pinterest? Is this for real? Or maybe you're a bit skeptical saying, no, this really can't be true, right? Well, guess what? It absolutely is. See, you can be earning money on Pinterest if you simply apply the right strategies and have a bit of know-how. With a global user base of 431 million people, Pinterest sees nearly 1 billion daily video views. But the real secret to make the most amount of money with Pinterest is affiliate marketing. Let me break it down for you. Affiliate marketing is when you recommend a product or service you generally like to a friend, a family member, or even someone you don't even know. Now, when they go through your recommendation and they purchase this product through your specific link, you get the credit and you can earn money in the form of a commission. Imagine this scenario with your favorite online course. If that course has an affiliate program, you can potentially earn a nice sum of money every time you simply persuade someone to enroll into it. Here's more on how it works. So all you have to do is share a special referral link, again, with your friends, your family, and when they purchase, the company will know that you actually made that referral because they'll be able to see it came from your link. And again, when you do that, you will actually be able to get paid. Now, rather than a regular social media platform, think of Pinterest as a search engine like Google. So you want to use search engine optimization techniques to create eye-catching pins that will rank for specific keywords. Now, you might be wondering how all this ties into making money with Pinterest. Well, let me explain and share more helpful steps that you can use to implement this. So, step #1 is setting up and optimizing your Pinterest account for affiliate marketing. Now, the initial step is to establish and fine-tune your Pinterest account to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey. Now, here's a breakdown of what you should include in your Pinterest strategy. So #1 is you want to actually create a business account. Now, you can either create a business account from scratch, or if you already have a personal Pinterest account, you can convert that into a business account that way. Now, the reason you want to do this is this grants you access to valuable analytics, advertising tools, and other features that can aid in the growth of your account. Now, you also want to claim your website or your social profile on your Pinterest. So if you have a website or a social media presence already, you can actually add those to your Pinterest account. Now, this not only drives traffic to your site or your profile, but it also adds credibility as an affiliate marketer. People will see that you're not just on Pinterest, you're actually on a lot of different places. Now, another powerful step is you can enable rich pins. If you own a website, you want to enable this because this allows you to actually display additional information from your site, such as product prices, ratings, availability, and much more. They make your pins more informative and actually appeal to many different users. Now, you also want to select a specific niche and target audience for your Pinterest account. This is very important so people that hit your account understand exactly what you intend to share and what you intend to promote. You want to identify your target demographic so you can tailor your content accordingly. You also want to optimize your profile, so pay attention to your profile name, your bio, your profile photo. This is very important, and you want to make sure it's all relevant to whatever niche, whether that's weight loss, making money online, dating, whatever niche you select, you want to make sure all of this is very congruent. Now, when you go to actually post the pins, which I'll touch on in much more detail in a little bit, you want to actually, again, research different keywords that your target audience is searching for. Now, you can actually leverage Google Analytics to identify trending keywords as well that you can target, and you can actually get a lot of viral pins going just hopping on a trend. Another very powerful tip is to create relevant Pinterest boards. So you can organize your Pinterest boards around your chosen niche and categorize them appropriately. So boards, think of them as containers for your affiliate marketing pins related to various topics. So you can use descriptive names, you can incorporate keywords to help users find your boards more easily. You also want to follow accounts in your niche. So one way you can learn what's working is to start following your competitors. Look for other profiles around that certain topic, and this allows you to actually see what type of pins are working for them so you can do something similar. You know, building connections with other users is very essential when it comes to becoming a successful affiliate marketer. You don't want to kind of reinvent the wheel. You just want to look at what's working and do what works. Now, by following these specific steps, you'll be well prepared to start an affiliate journey on Pinterest. Now, step number 2 is to discover and become a part of affiliate programs so you can start to get paid. Now, moving forward in your Pinterest affiliate marketing strategy, your next objective is to identify affiliate programs that align with your specific niche and your target audience. Now, affiliate programs enable you to register as an affiliate partner for a specific product or service. Now, this is where you're going to get your specific tracking link so the company knows when you actually make a referral. There's 2 primary categories of affiliate programs. One is individual affiliate programs. Now, these are managed directly by product or service owners. Now, you can typically apply for them on their own specific websites, or you can reach out to them through email. Now, the second one is affiliate networks. Now, these platforms act as a way to connect affiliates with numerous merchants or advertisers. So you begin by signing up with that network, and then you can apply for individual programs within that network. Now, I want to list some noteworthy individual affiliate programs first so you can kind of get an idea. So Printify. Printify is an affiliate program that lets you earn ongoing commissions by introducing new users to Printify. You can receive 5% of the product price from every order made by customers who sign up through your unique tracking link. Now, the earning potential is unlimited, so you can really refer as many customers as you like. Another program is Bluehost. So this is a prominent global web hosting provider. So if you're in the affiliate marketing niche, the home business niche, you can promote Bluehost and earn $65 for every person that subscribes through your referral link. Bluehost is going to allow people to host their own website online. Another program is Share a Sale. So this is a respected network with over 4,000 merchants in many different niches. So if you're in the fashion niche, the home niche, the gardening niche, you can start with Share a Sale. Another affiliate network is CJ Affiliate. Now, this is pretty cool because they have a network with over 3,000 merchants across many different categories. So travel, finance, education. Another very popular one that you've probably heard of is ClickBank. So ClickBank is very popular. They have tons and tons of years of experience with affiliate marketers, and it has a really wide range of different niches such as dating, health and fitness, and a lot of other obscure niches such as golf and even woodwork and carpentry. Now, if you have a really specific niche, you can even use Google and Bing, different search engines, to actually search your niche and then just follow it by affiliate program, and you'll be able to see a list of independent affiliate programs around that specific niche. Prior to joining any specific affiliate program or network, it's vital to thoroughly review their terms and conditions. You want to pay particular attention to specific details such as commission rates, the different payment methods. So some allow you to get paid through PayPal or direct deposit to your bank account. You want to make sure you look at the cookie duration. This is the period which you receive credit for a sale after someone clicks your affiliate link. Typically, the longer, the better. You want to look at the approval process, the different rules and limitations before actually just blindly joining, so you make sure that you're joining one that you qualify for and that you can promote long term. Now, step number 3 is you want to start making and sharing affiliate pins on Pinterest. So the third step is you want to start creating pins with your affiliate links and then share them on your Pinterest profile. Now, pins are the images or videos that you post on the platform. Now, here are some simple tips you can use to start creating effective affiliate pins. Number one is to use high quality images or videos that showcase the product or service attractively. You want to add text or captions to highlight the product's benefits or features. You also want to make sure your pin's title and description contain keywords relevant to your audience. So this is going to allow you to actually rank your pins. So when your specific target market searches for different keywords, your pins are going to show up. It's also good to use relevant hashtags in your pin's description related to your niche. This is going to also help you rank. You want to include a clear call to action as well in the pin's description to encourage people to click your affiliate link. To share pins with affiliate links on Pinterest, follow these specific key steps. Number one, copy your affiliate link from the program or network that you found the product. Then you want to go to Pinterest, click on the plus icon at the top right, and then choose Create Pin. You then want to upload your image or your video that you're going to post on Pinterest. Paste your affiliate link in the URL field. Then add a title, a description, hashtags, and a call to action. Select the board where you want to save your pin and then click Publish. Now, if you want an easier time creating pins with affiliate links, you can consider using tools like Tailwind or Canva Pro. They simplify the process and help you create visually appealing pins very quickly. Now, step number 4 with Pinterest and affiliate marketing is be honest and follow Pinterest rules. It's essential to be straightforward, and you want to make sure you're complying with Pinterest community rules when actually using affiliate marketing. To summarize their rules, here's what you need to actually know. Disclosures. So you must inform your audience that you're using affiliate links and you may earn commissions from sales. Now, this is not only good practice, but it's also a legal requirement with the FTC to often do this on many social media sites, but you want to make sure you do it on Pinterest. You want to use clear terms like affiliate link or paid link or sponsored. Place the disclosure near the link, not at the end of your description. Now, you can also use hashtags, hashtag affiliate link, hashtag paid link, to make it clear to your visitor that it's going to be an affiliate link. So for example, you can say something like, looking for a cozy winter blanket? Check out this one from Printify, and then include your affiliate link. So you could say something like this: thinking about starting a blog this year? Here's how I did it with Bluehost. And then you can include the affiliate link, but then at the end of the description, put hashtag paid link. This is going to tell Pinterest and of course the other people that see it that this is actually an affiliate link, so you're abiding by their rules. Now, another thing, don't spam by sharing too many pins with the same link or too many pins in general. Also, don't deceive your audience with false claims or misleading images. Also, avoid promoting prohibited products. So things like adult content, gambling, or drugs are off limits when it comes to Pinterest. Also, don't use shortening tools for your links with many different redirects. This may lead to issues with your account. Again, overall, you just want to be honest, sincere, authentic, and this is going to allow you to have a substantial chance to have a long-term successful business. Now, I just have one more incredibly powerful tip when it comes to affiliate marketing and Pinterest. But before I do that, if you want to really take affiliate marketing to the next level and make the most amount of money, be sure to click the first link in my description for a powerful free video revealing my #1 way. Now, here's how to dramatically boost your traffic and earnings with Pinterest. So your attention should be on expanding your traffic and income. And here's some powerful tips to do that. #1, consistent quality content. You want to continually share top-notch, informative content to really draw in and captivate your audience. Remember, with any social media platform, but Pinterest specifically, consistency is key. You want to be consistently posting. You can even create a schedule for yourself. You also want to analyze your performance. So look at your analytics. Because you have a business profile, as I shared earlier on in the steps, you can look at what's working, what is getting the most views, what are getting the most clicks, and you can really fine tune your strategy. Obviously, you want to do more of what works and less of what is not working. And you want to refine your strategy. So again, focus more on what is actually resonating with your audience. You want to constantly be testing, experiment with different visuals, different descriptions, posting schedules, right? So maybe posting in the morning or posting later at night and then see what's working. And you can create a plan based on the feedback. You also can consider Pinterest ads. So to further amplify your brand's reach as you start to make money with the methods I've been sharing, you can scale that by doing paid promotions. So you can invest some of your money into running ads targeting specific demographics that are obviously related to your niche and your target market. Remember, the key is being creative, staying consistent, and then actively engaging with your audience. Affiliate marketing with Pinterest is truly, truly powerful. It's not going anywhere, and it's only getting better. You want to consider doing this and really adding on, and I think you're gonna love the results. Now, before I go, be sure you subscribe, click the bell icon. I have way more videos just like this with jam-packed value. And also be sure to click the video on the screen right here so you'll get taken to a playlist with much more affiliate marketing training. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next video.